Elena had a dream that stretched far beyond her small hometown. She found an old textbook and knew it was time to begin. The first page was filled with possibilities. She practiced the simplest greeting. English sounds were trickier than they looked. Elena decided to immerse herself in her environment. One by one, the objects in her room gained new names. She was building a world of words. Children's cartoons became her favorite teachers. She practiced her expressions along with her sounds. Every day she listened to podcasts to get used to the accent. She echoed every word she heard. The local library was a treasure chest of English stories. Tongue twisters were her biggest challenge yet. Grammar rules felt like a maze. Writing helped her organize her thoughts in English. The park was her practice ground. Real-world English was starting to make sense. She found a word that described her perfectly. Hearing herself was the best way to improve. She was her own most honest critic. She studied English like a science. It was time to talk to a real person. Sometimes the words just wouldn't come out. Encouragement gave her the fuel to keep going. Everyday tasks were now English lessons. She was understood, a small but significant victory. The subtitles vanished, but the meaning remained. Idioms were a whole new world of confusion. The logic of English was finally clicking. Her cat didn't care about her accent. Fluency was beginning to replace hesitation. She started to feel the emotion behind the words. Elena was no longer just a learner. She was a communicator. Some days the mountain felt too high to climb. She reminded herself of her own progress. Sharing the journey with others made it easier. She was starting to sound more natural. She could now express complex ideas. The language had become a part of her soul. Elena was invited to speak at a local event. The fear was there, but so was the courage. The moment of truth had arrived. Her voice was steady and strong. She spoke from the heart. Her words resonated with everyone in the room. She had done it. She had spoken her truth. The sound of success was deafening. Conversations flowed naturally now. The long journey had led her to this beautiful moment. She was finally traveling to an English-speaking country. No hesitation, just perfect communication. The world was open to her now. English was the bridge that connected them all. She shared her joy with those she left behind. Fluency was a destination, but learning was a lifelong journey. She was so proud of how far she'd come. Now she was the one offering encouragement. Elena's world had no more boundaries. The story of Elena was just beginning.